So it's 11:47 p.m. I am out here in the parking lot because my computer is having a panic attack. It scared the wits out of my roommate. So I took it out here to show you guys. Let's see, data bus stress test. Test ended, test results fail. Yeah, this is bad. I'm going to do some more testing tomorrow. Alright, I have some time now. I'm going to test if I reverse the spots, if the memory works, if it's a bad slot, or if the stick actually failed. So it looks like there's some dust in this slot right here. Shoot. Alright, so past the basic test, I am going to hold on to this and hope my computer works. Linux Mint. Okay, looks like my system is working. I think it's safe to say that this stick of RAM is bad.